Good morning, all of you. This is Mr. Pizatitis from Salem classes. So, students, today we will discuss bookwork of chapter 3.4 Hospital in the Forest. This is for class 7th. Okay. So, before entering to this video lecture, I would like to request you. First of all, you have to hear properly and write because somewhere a spelling may be missed, either writing may be little bit ugly. Okay. And next request is that if newly you are visiting this channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon, at the same time forward it to your friends and to your classmates. So then let's begin. First of all, we will discuss word power. So you see, there are six different words, and we have to change that in the correct suitable form. Okay. Number one, the West Africans were living in miserable conditions. With Joseph's help, he cut down trees and leveled ant hills. Okay. The number of his followers went on, increased day by day, increased day by day. How can I send him this letter? I have forgotten his address. Forgotten his address. This training course will be qualifying you as a driving instructor. Will be qualifying. Okay. I haven't yet studied the complete report. I got it only yesterday. So, six number sentence, it is regarding of present perfect, that is why third form of verb is required there. And the fifth number sentence, this is regarding of future continuous, that is why it is the form of verb, ing form of verb. And fourth number, that is also present perfect, so that is why third form of verb is required here. And third number sentence, it is past indefinite, that is why second form of verb is required here. And second sentence also, this is past simple, so that is why second form of verb is required here. And you may see that first sentence, that is as for past continuous and plural helping verb. Okay, that is why there is needed the ing form of verb. Okay. Okay, next one, give the noun form the following words and use them in sentence your own. Okay. So yes, actually I couldn't make any sentence, but I made here noun form. If you would like so, you can make a sentence. Poor, poorness. Okay. Intend, intention. Marry, marriage. Attract, attraction. Attend, attending. Inspire, inspiration. INSPIRATION, inspiration. Behave, behavior. Okay. Medical, medicine. Healthy, health. Difficult, difficulty. Okay. So you need to change. Okay, you need to change the following word into noun according to this way. Then after we will go next page or next work, grammar in use. Okay. Here we have to use two. It is infinite. Okay, so there is need to use only two. Okay, so telling lies is very bad habit. To tell lies, you can write like this. You may see that, just you may see. To cross, you add here only. To eat. Okay, cut the ing form verb, then you write. To see, instead of seeing, you have to write to see. Making, instead of making, you have to write here to make. Qualifying, okay, to qualify, I forgot to write here, that is why I tell you most of the time you have to hear. To qualify. Helping, instead of helping, you have to write to help. Telling, instead of telling, you write to tell. तो बदले में आपका जो यहाँ पे इंक फॉर्म वर्ब यहाँ पे दिया गया है उसको हटाइए और टू जोड़ करके फर्स्ट फॉर्म का वर्ब लिखिए तो सेंटेंस बन जाएगा। नेक्स्ट वन, रीराइट ईच सेंटेंस यूजिंग एन इन्फिनेटिव। इसको भी वैसे ही इन्फिनेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो टू लिखो प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिखो। ओके, जहाँ पे मैं कट किया उसको कट करना है। wherever I cut, so you have to cut there and you have to use there too. Okay, you may see it. Either you can take screenshot. I'm not going to read it. I hope you might have. Okay, next page. Okay, combine pair of sentence by using to infinitive. Okay, okay, you have to cut the line where I cut. Squeezer cleared a large tract in jungle to build his new hospital. Okay, he wanted, you have to cut down. We are going to Mumbai to take the Air India flight to London. My mother was much delighted to hear of my success in the examination. So one thing is left here and now we have to come. Yes, sir. You see here something missed, कुछ छूट गया है एंड आई मेड ए साइन देयर, मैंने एक चिन्ह दे रखा हूँ और उसी जगह पर ये बोर्ड सब जुड़ेगा। ओके, अल्बर्ट स्क्यूजर was born, okay, which was then in Germany. Philosopher, musician and a scholar. Okay, where I pronounce okay the missing word you have to fill there. Okay, he could speak both French and German. He went to the University of Strasbourg. By the age of 30, and I couldn't find anything else from this line. If you found, so you can write there. Okay, if it is possible, so you have to, after philosophy you have to add there become and of music. So I think it is not good. I left it. I think there is no necessary. Scholar and was also okay rewarded against, but he chose but he chose. Become a humble student once more. He decided to. Okay, he decided to medicine, so he could go Africa. Okay, all the missing words are filled. Okay, and our last one is there. You can see the pictures. According to this picture, we have to put here uh, preposition. You can see it. I think it is clear. Anna? She is walking on the road. He is going across the roadside. She is going into the building. They are walking along the pavement. He is running toward the bus stop. So this one the exercise. I hope it is help for you, and I think that it is good for your grammatical improvement. Okay, now rest of thing that you have to prepare that yourself. Okay, something if you need any help, so you can comment me, or you can write any requirement in the comment section. So thank you, may God bless you, have a good day.